In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Adobe Express. If you've ever moved something by accident, changed a color you didn't mean to, or typed over a line you liked, this is the quick, reliable way to step back and restore your work to a previous state without starting over. First, make sure you're in the Express web editor with your project open on the canvas. Look toward the top of the editor interface. You'll see an undo button in the top bar, usually represented by a curved arrow pointing to the left. Depending on your screen size, the icon might be the main thing you see, and that's okay. The placement stays consistent near the top, so you can reach it fast whenever you need it. Here's how it works. Whenever you make a change, like editing text, repositioning an image, tweaking a shape, or adjusting a color, and you don't love the result, simply click the undo button once. That single click reverses your most recent action. If you've made a few edits in a row and want to move back through them, click the button repeatedly, one click per action, to step backwards through your recent history. You'll see your canvas update with each click, so you can stop exactly when things look right again. If the undo button looks dim or isn't clickable, that just means there's nothing to undo yet. Make a change on the canvas, and the button will become active. When you're undoing more complex edits, like a large image adjustment, give the editor a moment to catch up. You'll still see your project respond right on the canvas, and it should feel smooth and predictable. A few helpful things to keep in mind as you use undo. The undo history applies to your current project and your current editing session. If you refresh the page, close the project, or navigate away, that history resets. This button reverses creative edits on your canvas, like layout changes or style tweaks. But actions outside the canvas, such as exporting or downloading a file, aren't reversed with undo. Adobe Express also autosaves your project as you go, so your changes are safe. Undo simply lets you walk backward through those saved edits to a point you prefer. As a best practice, make a change, take a quick look at your composition, and if it's not quite right, click Undo to revert instantly. It's a simple habit that gives you the freedom to experiment without worrying about making mistakes. That's it. Find the Undo button at the top of the editor, click it to reverse your last action, and click again to keep stepping back. Happy creating in Adobe Express.